Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to discuss about 8th class topic, chapter number 5, expansion formulae, practice set 5.2. So within a practice set 5.2 we have a first question, expand. Within a sub question we have k plus 4 the whole cube. So now we have given k plus 4 the whole cube and we have to expand it. So for that let us try to compare it with a plus b the whole cube, so that we are having now the a value becomes a k and b value becomes a 4. So I am writing a and b values somewhere here. A plus b the whole cube expansion, we are having a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So try to replace now a and b by their value k and 4 respectively, so that we are getting k plus 4 the whole cube expansion is of the form k cube plus 3 times, now we are having a square means the k square, into b we are having as a 4, 3 into a value is k, b value is 4, so that we are getting 4 square plus 4 cube is of the form like way. Now k cube remains as it is plus 3 4s are, now we have a 12, so I am writing 12 times k square plus, now 4 square becomes, we have a 16, 3 and k as it is, plus 4 cube we have a 64. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So that we are getting expansion of k plus 4 the whole cube is of the form k cube plus 12 k square plus, now 16 3s are, we have a 48 times k as it is plus 64. So this is the expansion of k plus 4 the whole cube. Now look at the second sub question, expand 7x plus 8y the whole cube. So that we have to expand here 7x plus 8y the whole cube. So let us try to pair it with a plus b the whole cube, so that now we are having a value becomes a 7x and b value becomes a 8y. So I am writing somewhere a and b values here. A plus b the whole cube expansion, we have a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So try to replace now a and b by their value, so that we are getting 7x plus 8y the whole cube equals to, we are having a cube means 7x the whole cube plus 3 into a square means 7x the whole square into b we are having 8y plus 3 into, we are having 7x into 8y the whole square and plus b cube means we are having 8y the whole cube. So try to be separate out the cube for the first term. We are getting 7 cube into x cube plus, now 3 8s are, we have a 24, so that we are getting 24 into, try to be separate out the square, 7 square into x square into y remains as it is. Now 7 3s are, we have a 21 into x into, try to be separate out the square, 8 square into, we are having y square plus, try to be separate out the cube, 8 cube into, we are having y cube. So that we are getting 7 cube as a 7 7s are 21, 21 into 7 we are getting 147, x cube as it is plus 24 into 7 square becomes 49 into, we have x square into y as a x square y plus 21 as it is into, we are having x into 8 square as a 64 into, we have y square plus 8 cube as a 8 into 8 as a 64, 64 into 8 we are getting 512 times y cube as it is. Now let us try to simplify those multiplications over here, hence we have our expansion. So 7x plus 8y the whole cube is equal to, we are having 147 x cube, then plus 24 into 49 we are getting 1176 into x square y remains as it is plus 21 into 64 we are getting 1344 x into y square remains as it is plus 512 y cube remains as it is. So this is the expansion for 7x plus 8y the whole cube. Now look at the third sub question. Expand 7 plus m the whole cube. So I am writing 7 plus m the whole cube we have to expand. So let's try to compare it with a plus b the whole cube. Now we are having a value becomes a 7 and b value becomes we have a m, and the expansion of a plus b the whole cube is of the form a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So try to replace now a and b by their value, so that expansion for 7 plus m the whole cube is of the form a value we have is 7, so that we are getting 7 cube plus 3 into a square becomes 7 square into b becomes m plus 3 into 7 into b square, so that we are getting m square plus b cube, so that we are getting m cube. Try to simplify the square and cubes, so that we have now 7 plus m the whole cube is equal to 7 cube as a 7 sevens are we have a 49, and 49 into 7 we are getting 343 plus 3 into 7 square we have a 49 into m as it is 7 threes are now we are getting 21 times m square plus m cube as it is. Try to simplify now this multiplication. 49 into 3 we have 147. So 7 plus m the whole cube, that is equals to 343 plus 147 into m as it is plus 21 m square plus m cube. So this is the expansion for 7 plus m the whole cube. Look at the fourth sub question. We have to expand 52 the whole cube. Now keep in mind 52 is nearest to which tens, or firstly 52 is lies in between 50 and 60, those tenses we are having, and now 52 is nearest to 50 because difference between 52 and 50 is 2, and 60 and 52 is 8. So among them least difference we have a 2, so that 52 is nearest to 50. So we can write now the 52 as a 50 plus 2 and the whole cube remains as it is. Now let's try to compare it with a plus b the whole cube, so that now we are having a value as a 50 and b value we have a 2, and a plus b the whole cube expansion is of the form a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So try to replace now a and b by their value 50 and 2 respectively, so that now we are getting 52 the whole cube equals to we have a 50 plus 2 the whole cube, and a value becomes now the 50, so that we are having 50 cube plus 3 into 50 square into 2 plus we have a 3 into 50 into 2 square plus 2 the whole cube, because b value we have 2 here. So that now 50 cube becomes we have 50 into 50 as a 2500. 2500 into 50 we are getting 1,25,000 plus 3 twos are we have a 6. So I am writing 6 into 50 square we have 50 into 50 as a 2500 plus 5 threes are 15, so that we are getting 50 into 3 as a 150 into 2 square as a 4. Now 2 cube becomes 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are we have a 8. Try to simplify it. We are getting 1,25,000 plus 2,500 into 6, so that we are having 15,000. Next to it 150 into 4 we are getting 600 and plus 8 as it is. Now let us try to add up them, so that we are having 1,25,000 plus 15,000 plus 600 plus 8 as a 1,40,608. So the 52 cube, as per the expansion formula, we are getting 1,40,608. You may cross verify your answer by doing 52 into 52 into 52. So ultimately you are getting 52 cube is one of the same as that of 1,40,608. Look at the question number 5. Expand 101 the whole cube. So that we can write now 101 as a 100 plus 1 the whole cube. Now look once carefully on comparing with a plus b the whole cube. We are having now a value becomes 100 and b value becomes we have a 1. So that the expansion of a plus b the whole cube is of the form a cube plus 3 times a square b plus 3 times ab square plus b cube. Let's try to replace a and b by their value, so that now we are having 101 the whole cube equals to 100 plus 1 the whole cube, so that we are getting 100 cube plus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square plus b cube means we have now the 1 cube. Now 100 the whole cube, how to evaluate it? Let's try to do that the multiplication of 100 3 times, so that we are having how many zeros on 1? 6 zeros on 1. That means we have the 10 lakh is of the form. So I am writing we have 100 cube as a 10 lakh plus 100 square as a we are having 10,000. 100 into 100 into 1 becomes 10,000 plus 3 into 100 as a 300. 300 into 1 square as a 1. So 300 into 1 we are getting 300 and plus 1 cube as a 1. Try to simplify it, so that we are having 101 the whole cube equals to 10 lakh as it is plus 10,000 into 3 becomes we are having 30,000 and 300 plus 1 becomes 301. So let us try to do the addition, so that we are having 10 lakh plus 30,000 plus 301 we are getting 10 lakh 30,301. So 101 the whole cube is of the form 10 lakh 30,301. You may cross check your answer for finding 101 the whole cube. You may multiply 101 3 times, so that you are getting the same answer 10 lakh 30,301. Now look at the sixth sub question, x plus 1 upon x the whole cube. So I am writing the question. We have to expand x plus 1 upon x the whole cube. So let's try to again compare it with a plus b the whole cube, so that we are having a value becomes x and b value becomes 1 upon x. So a plus b the whole cube expansion, we are having a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So try to replace now a and b by their value, so that we are getting x plus 1 upon x the whole cube expansion is of the form a value is x, so x cube plus 3 into a value is x, so x square into b value we have 1 upon x plus 3 into a is x and b is now 1 upon x the whole square and plus b cube, now we have 1 upon x the whole cube. So try to be separate out the square of numerator and denominator, so that we are getting x cube plus 3 times. Now here one of the x from numerator denominator getting cancelled, so that we can write here x square as a x into x, and one of the x getting cancelled, so we might remain with the 1x, so that we are having 3x be the remainder in case of second term. Look at the third term, 3 into x into 1 square as a 1 divided by x square as a x square plus 1 cube as a 1 divided by x cube as a x cube itself. Now one of the x from numerator denominator getting cancelled. So now in case of denominator we have the x square. So we can write it as a x into x. 1x getting cancelled. So in case of denominator we remained with the 1x. So I am writing the remainder is of the form. We have x square plus 3x plus 3 divided by, because 3 ones are 3. So 3 divided by x plus 1 upon x cube. So this is the expansion for x plus 1 upon x the whole cube. Now look at the sub question 7, 2m plus 1 upon 5 the whole cube. So I am writing the question. We have to expand to m plus 1 upon 5 the whole cube. So let's try to compare it with again a plus b the whole cube, so that we are having a value is 2m and b value is 1 upon 5. So a plus b the whole cube expansion is of the form a cube plus 3 times a square b plus 3 times ab square plus b cube. Try to replace a and b by their value. 2m and 1 by 5 respectively. So that a cube means now we are having 2m the whole cube, plus 3 into a square means we are having 2m the whole square, into b we are having 1 by 5, plus 3 into a value is 2m, and b square now we are having 1 by 5 the whole square, and plus b cube becomes 1 by 5 the whole cube. Now try to be separate out the cube, square, square and cube, so that we are getting 2m the whole cube. As per the rule of indices, once we have a into b whole to the power m, we can write it as a raised to m into b raised to m. So that try to be separate out, ultimately the cube we are getting 2 cube into m cube, plus 3 into, same thing over here we are having now 2 square into m square into 1 by 5 as it is, plus 3 into we have 2m into, now as per the rule of indices, once we have a by b whole to the power m, we can write it is of the form a raised to m divided by b raised to m. So ultimately we have to separate the square of numerator and denominator, so that we are having 1 square divided by 5 square, plus same thing over the last term, we have to separate out the cube of numerator and denominator. 1 cube is 1 divided by we have 5 cube. So now let us try to simplify the cube, squares, whatever we have. So that 2 cube becomes 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are we have a 8 into m cube as it is, 3 into 2 square becomes 4 into m square into 1 by 5, plus 3 2s are now we have a 6, so I am writing 6m into 1 upon 5 square becomes 25, plus 1 upon 5 cube, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are we have 125. Now try to be simplify whatever be the multiplications we are having for the numbers, so that we are getting here 8m cube, plus now 4 3s are 12 and 12 ones are we have a 12, so that we are getting 12 divided by this 5 into m square as it is, plus we are having 6 ones are 6 and divided by 25, so 6 divided by 25 times we have a m as it is, plus 1 upon 125. So the cubic expansion for 2m plus 1 upon 5 is of the form 8m cube plus 12 divided by 5 times m square plus 6 divided by 25 into m plus 1 upon 125. Look at the next and last example, example number 8 from practice set 5.2. We have to expand 5x divided by y plus y divided by 5x the whole cube. So I am writing the question first. We have to expand 5x divided by y plus y divided by 5x the whole cube. Ultimately those two terms are the reciprocals of themselves. 5x divided by y is a reciprocal, we have y divided by 5x, and y divided by 5x are reciprocal, we have 5x divided by y. So to expand it, let us try to compare it with a plus b the whole cube, so that now we are having a value becomes 5x divided by y and b value becomes we have y divided by 5x. So a plus b the whole cube expansion is of the form a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Try to replace a and b by their value, so that we are having 5x divided by y plus y divided by 5x the whole cube expansion is of the form a cube means we have 5x divided by y the whole cube, plus 3 into a square means we have 5x divided by y the whole square, into b we have 5 divided by y divided by 5x, plus 3 into a value we have 5x divided by y into b square, so that we are having y divided by 5x the whole square, plus b cube, that means y divided by 5x the whole cube. So as per the rule of indices, let us try to separate out the cube, squares, whatever we have, so that we are getting now 5 cube into x cube divided by we have y cube, plus 3 into we have 5 square into x square divided by we have y square into we have y divided by 5x, plus 3 into we have 5x divided by y into y square divided by 5 square into x square, plus we have y cube divided by 5 cube into x cube. Now try to be simplify the cubes and square. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are we have 125 x cube as it is, y cube as it is, plus 3 into 5 square becomes 25 into we have x square as a x into x ultimately divided by y square as a y into y divided by 5 into x as it is, plus now 3 into 5 we are getting 3 5s are 15 into x divided by y into y square becomes y into y divided by 5 square becomes 25 into x square as a x into x, plus we are having y cube divided by 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are we have 125 times x cube. Try to simplify now. Look once carefully. One of the x from numerator denominator getting cancelled. 1y getting cancelled. 1y from numerator denominator getting cancelled. 1x from numerator denominator getting cancelled. Now try to multiply whatever be the numbers we are having. So that we are having 125 x cube divided by y cube as it is. 25 3s are now we have 125. But keep in mind we have 5 over the denominator. So we may divide firstly 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are we are getting 25. And now 5 3s are we have a 15 and 1x over the numerator and whole divided by 1y over the denominator. Plus now 5 3s are we have a 15, 5 5s are we have a 25. So over numerator we have 3 into y, that means 3y divided by over denominator we have 5 into x as a 5x, plus y cube divided by 125 x cube as it is. So this is the expansion for 5x divided by y plus y divided by 5x the whole cube. So here we have exercise 5.2. Thank you.